Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a clipping mask design effect in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Add black color for the background. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Go to the Polygon tool and draw it. Change its color to a different one. Rotate it. Hold the Alt button and drag to make a copy. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Select 3 of them, hold the Alt button, and drag to make another copy. Follow the process. Hold the Shift and select some random shapes. Go to the Edit menu and click Copy. Then select all, right-click on them, and choose Make Compound Path. Go to the File menu, click Place, select the image and click the Place button. Adjust its size. Right-click on it, go to Arrange and choose Send to Back. Select the compound shapes and the image, then right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust the image. Paste the previously copied shapes. Select the image, go to the Edit menu, Copy. Then paste it in front. Bring down its opacity to 80%. Use the Pen tool to make the selection of the subject. Follow me. Reset the opacity. Select both. Right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.